Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day. First of all, thank you sa pag-welcome sa akin sa Marcos Highway as your new member. Wow, new. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you na naging patient kayo sa akin, and lalo na po ikaw, and hindi ko man lagi sinasabi to, pero alam mo na love kita. Thank you. Mwah!
Hello po and good morning sa iyo, Pastor Angela. Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo sa mga advice and mga preaching mo sa amin upang makapagbigay ng aral at patuloy na mag-grow kami kasama ang Panginoon. Maraming salamat for all the teaching and disciplines you have given us as our advisor, teacher, and titas of our kids and also part of our church family. Huwag ka sanang magsawa na mag-share ng mga salita ng Panginoon sa amin at sa ibang tao dahil isa ka sa tinawag ng Diyos upang maghayag ng magandang balita sa mga tao. Maraming salamat, and we will always hear and pray for you and also continue to work with God in your journey. And maraming salamat sa iyo, Pastora Angela. Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day. I love you.
Ay anak, Happy Appreciation Month kahit na October 27 na naihabol pa rin para sa pag-appreciate sa iyo. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon kasi tumugon ka sa tawag niya upang maging pastora. Huwag kang magsawa na maging haligi ng Marcos Highway Foursquare Gospel Church, anak. Isa kang malaking epekto sa aming lahat ng members mo. Bilang mga tupa mo, nagpapasalamat kami ng marami sa iyo at nagpapatuloy ka na nagtuturo sa amin at nag-share ng mga salita ng Panginoon. Sana patuloy kang palakasin ng ating Panginoon, manghingi ka lagi sa Kanya ng wisdom and knowledge para magampanan mo ang papel mo bilang pastora sa ating church, sa Marcos Highway. At ganun din bilang anak, nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo na isa ka sa laging nagpaparemind sa amin kung gaano kahalaga ang gawain natin sa church at kung gaano kahalaga sa buhay natin na ang nag-iisang Diyos na buhay ang siyang nagpapatakbo ng buhay natin. Anak, huwag kang magsasawa at sana lagi kang masaya sa ginagawa mo. At lagi kang malakas, proteksyonan lagi ng Panginoon kahit saan ka nagpupunta. Tandaan mo, mahal ka namin bilang pastora at mahal kita bilang nanay mo. God bless you. I love you.
Tapos, aman yung milk. Tapos, aman yung milk.
To Pastora Jel, thank you sa buhay mo dahil pili mo na gamitin ito para sa kapurihan ng Panginoon at maglingkod sa Panginoon. Sana patuloy kang maging blessing, hindi lang sa aming Marcos Highway Church, kung hindi sa buong Foursquare Church. Naway gabayan ka ng Panginoon, patuloy kang bigyan ng kalakasan at ng good health. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless!
Happy Pastor's Day, Pastora Jel. Thank you and God bless you.
Appreciation Month of Pastora. Salamat sa mga pagtulong mo sa amin. Ganun din sa may message mo every Sunday na mga natututunan namin. At higit sa lahat, ako ay nagpapasalamat dahil na-appreciate namin yung mga ginagawa mo, lalong-lalo na sa aking pagtusok sa aking tiyan sa insulin. At nawa ay huwag kang sanang magsawa sa akin sa pagtusok ng insulin at sa aking glucose. Happy Appreciation, Pastor Angela. Thank you.
Happy Pastor's Day, Pastora Jel. I just want to thank you and to appreciate you for being a wonderful and amazing pastora to MHFGC. I thank you for all the teachings, for all the advices, for all the encouragement that you're always giving us. Thank you for being a pastora. Thank you for being a sister. Thank you for being a servant to the Lord na nagagamit ka at na i-share mo sa amin yung mga wisdom na galing sa Panginoon. May you continue to live an abundant life at magpatuloy ka na magpagamit sa Panginoon. And yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Pastor, naging blessing ka sa akin, sa kanya, sa aming lahat. To my Pastora, thank you for everything. Sana po hindi ka po magsawa magturo ng Word of God. I love you! Salamat Pastora, naging blessing ka sa amin at sana patuloy mong paglingkuran ang Diyos. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng gabay at protection. I love you, Pastora.
Hello, Pastora Angela. I wanted to take a moment to share how truly grateful we are to have you in our life, especially this month is our Pastor's Appreciation Month. As our Pastora and as my sister, you bring so much wisdom and creativity and love and light to everyone around you. So we thank you for your support, whether we as a family are facing challenges, whether we are also celebrating successes as one family in the church. You always know what and how you lift our spirits. We thank you for your kindness, we thank you for your compassion, and we thank you for your inspiration. We definitely admire your strength and your dedication. We also appreciate how you handle everything with grace, and we are learning so much from you every day. So thank you for being a constant source of encouragement and inspiration, and for always believing in us as your church. As we celebrate Pastor's Appreciation Month, we want you to know how much you are loved and valued. We love you deeply, and we are so proud of what you have been doing and what the Lord has been doing in your life. So thank you for being an incredible pastora and an amazing sister, an amazing daughter. So keep shining your light.
Pastora Jel, maraming salamat sa pagiging good example of faith and blessing to our church. Your dedication and service ay sobrang laki ng impact sa bawat isa. We are grateful for all you've done, sa mga encouragement and faith building na tinuturo mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. God bless you and more blessing to come, and happy Pastor's Day.
Bilang ikaw ang nagpapastol sa amin, kaming mga inyong tupa, mas lumalalim pa at mas tumatatag pa ang aming pananalig at pananampalataya, lalo na pag ikaw ay naghahatid ng magandang balita every Sunday. Kaming mga tupa mo ay mas lalo pang kakaroon ng inspirasyon na tahakin ang maliwanag na daan patungo sa ating harian ng Panginoong Diyos. Salamat, Pastor Angela.
All my people know that I was never good at acting. Every time my eyes are shut, I can't help but imagine me and all my friends weaving in and out of traffic. Every move we make will tip the planet off its axis. You can hear the passion dripping through the melody. If you love it, let it go. But every little blessing finds its way right back to me. So I spread it with my folk. Hey, I be playing shows in Ibiza, chef it up like Aisha. So for the moment I'm keeping it on the low like a freezer, so I can send it up to heaven for the 7th time today. 'Cause thunder happens even though it doesn't rain. That's why I'ma keep it low key, low key. Posted with the ones that know me, know me. I wake up and greet the sun, keep on shining till I'm done. So I'm never really lonely, lonely. That's why I'ma keep it low.